Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to in our online class. I am Mrs. Arif Inamdar, Veer Wazekar, AC College Punde, Associate Professor. Already in your class, paper first. Name of the chapter is spectroscopy. Already all of you learn in a spectroscopy, rotational spectra, vibrational spectra, and today all of you learn Raman spectra. So Raman spectroscopy involves the scattering of radiation. In 1928, Professor C.V. Raman discovered that when light of a definite frequency is passed through a gas, liquid or solid, what happens? And a scattered light is observed at right angle to the incident light. Most of these scattered light, 99% has same frequency as that of incident light. Then it is known as Rayleigh scattering. By means incident light is equal to scattering light 99%. So that one scattering is known as Rayleigh scattering. So as shown in figure, that is molecules or atoms passed in incident light, scattered light. Mu I is equal to mu S is equal to 99% same. Mu I is equal to mu S is equal to mu S is Rayleigh scattering. But in these light phenomena, interaction phenomena, 1% of scattering light has a either frequency lower or higher. Okay, so all of you learn in a they are related to longer wavelength, shorter wavelength. So incident light falls on your atoms of the molecules. They are having longer wavelength. By means mu S is less than mu I, and by means mu I minus mu S is equal to positive stroke. That one lines is known as Stokes lines. Okay, so in these Stokes lines, longer wavelength and mu S is less than mu I. Second one condition all of you learn, mu S is greater than mu I. By means in this incident, shorter wavelength. For example, mu I minus mu S is equal to mu S is 6, mu I is 5. 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1. So that one has a negative, and that one's lines is known as anti-Stokes lines. Third condition all of you learn, mu S minus mu I is equal to Raman frequency or Raman shape. That means mu S minus mu I is equal to same. So in this way all of you learn Stokes lines, anti-Stokes lines and Raman shape. In a Stokes lines is positive, longer wavelength, anti-Stokes lines is negative, shorter wavelength, and in a Raman frequency, Raman shaped mu S is equal to mu I. Diagrammatically all of you learn. So therefore systematically representation of the Raman spectra, Raman line, Stokes line right hand side, and anti-Stokes lines left hand side, Raman lines and Raman lines. So Stokes lines and anti-Stokes lines. Next one, the Raman shape generally lies between the range of 100 cm cube cm inverse to 400 cm minus 1. So range is 100 to 4000. Theory of Raman effect. The mechanism of Raman effect has been explained on the basis of quantum theory as well as on the basis of parability of molecules. Basic quantum theory. According to this theory, the scattering of light by the molecules of the same molecules regarding as photon molecules collisions phenomena. Suppose a molecules of mass m, E dash is energy state, v is velocity, nu is collide of the light photon frequency. Let the molecules undergo change in its energy state as well as velocity. Let new energy state of the given by E double dash and velocity v dash Applying the principle of conservation of energy, we get E dash plus 1/2 mv square plus h nu equal to E double dash plus mv dash square plus h nu dash. This equation number first. The range of velocity of molecules after collision is negligible. So equation first we can writing in form E dash is equal to h nu is equal to E double dash is equal to h nu dash. This one equation number second. Rearranging the second equation, E dash minus E double dash in bracket complete plus h nu is equal to h nu dash. This equation number third. Dividing equation number third by, we get E dash minus E double dash divided by h plus h nu divided by h equal to h nu dash divided by h. So E dash minus E double dash h plus h cancel, so nu is equal to nu dash. There are possibility of the equation 4. First, E dash is equal to E double dash. This refers to as unmodified line. The molecule simplified deflect the photon without receiving any energy from it. This is called Rayleigh scattering. E double dash less than E double dash. E dash is less than E double dash. This means that molecules after collision with photons gains energy from the photons, and result the scattering photon will be have lower energy and will get Stokes lines. Third condition, E dash is greater than E double dash. This means that molecules in excited state, either collision when photons use has greater energy and it is use anti-Stokes lines. Stokes and anti-Stokes lines appear at equal distance as faint lines on the side or and time intense centers line corresponding to Rayleigh scattering. As shown in figure, right hand side anti-Stokes lines, Stokes line left hand side. Frequency of the spectrum is spectrum in of CCl4. Thank you.